So now I'm going to share few manifestation techniques which
Mm.
you can do it whenever you desire, whenever you have something that you need to manifest in your life. So
Okay.
I'll be sharing the screen.
Mm.
Yes. So these are some techniques. Uh, since today is 11/11, so we are doing money manifestation techniques. So first is water manifestation. That means you can fill a water bottle, write down your manifestation. पूरी रात आप उस पे स्टिक कर सकते हो या keep it just below the water bottle and then you can drink that water. So you can do it continuously for 11 days, for 21 days, 30 days. जब तक आपका manifestation is not coming true, you can continue doing this. How it works is it is scientifically proven that water has the energy, its molecules have the energy. So if you say good words, you will see the change in the taste. And if you say the bad words, its color changes slowly and gradually. So it's like an experiment. You can do it at home also. So water carries its energy. तो उनके मॉलिक्यूल्स में जब हम पॉजिटिव एनर्जी डालते हैं दैट वी वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट दिस इन आवर लाइफ, it could be your good health, uh, anything related to money, anything, whatever you want to manifest in your life, you can just write down that as if you have achieved it in the present tense, and uh, you can just drink that water throughout the day. Again, next method is 369, which you must have heard about. So 369 is you have to do this for 3 days. The affirmations or the things which you want to manifest, you have to write it in the morning three times, in the noon six times, and in the evening or night nine times. ये affirmations आपको ऐसे लिखने हैं like achieved 2 lakhs rupees. You can write the particular date by 30th of November. Received 2 lakhs, yeah, uh, anything you can write it about your health, your weight loss, your weight gain, whatever you want to manifest. And इससे क्या होता है uh, when you are writing down, you have to write it with the feelings. And you are rewiring your subconscious mind by writing this. You have to just write down and surrender it to universe because whatever you have written will definitely happen. मीन्स आप वो मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो कि मुझे ये चाहिए, इतने डेट तक चाहिए, एंड यू आर क्लियर विथ योर इंटेंशन, यू आर सेटिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटेंशन. थर्ड इज 555.
Mhm.
Yes.
Just one question.
Yes.
Uh, just writing 3 days. Is it like I was doing? So I was told to continue for 21 days, like years before, when I had learnt it from my another teacher in Dubai.
So,
So
yes, you can write it for 11 days, you can write it for 21 days. बट कैसे होता है ना, अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगी अभी ही कि आपको 21 दिन लिखना है, यू विल नॉट इवन स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट. कि
हाँ.
इतने दिन मैं लिखूंगी थोड़ी ना, तो आप 3 दिन में ही बंद कर, मतलब यू विल नॉट इवन स्टार्ट. सो वंस यू कंप्लीट 3 days.
It's funny. I was trying to find books. चलो चलो books निकालते हैं, अभी वापस लिखना शुरू करते हैं.
यस. सो यू कैन पहले 3 दिन आप इंटेंशन से तो लिखो, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इफ यू वांट, इफ यू थिंक आई एम कमिटेड टू डू दिस फॉर नेक्स्ट मीन से 11 days, then do it for 11 days. So once you complete 11 days, you can continue with 21 days.
बट हाउ टू गेट द फील, जूही, वही थोड़ा एक कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. हाउ टू
See,
फील इट
when you have
कंटिन्यू.
a very burning desire within you, वो फीलिंग अपने आप आती है. You should have that burning desire within you to manifest what I want. Know your why. Why you want it. Why you want to manifest this. सो व्हेन योर
ओके.
व्हाई इज स्ट्रोंगर, तब आपको कोई सुस्ती नहीं होगी. तब आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के ये लिखोगे भी विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, विदाउट एनी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, बिकॉज इट इज हाउ कमिटेड यू आर टू मैनिफेस्ट वॉट एवर यू डिजायर.
ओके.
राइट.
गॉट इट.
यस. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? दानिया, डू यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन?
So how do I apply it for my like salon? If I want something in specific, जैसे कि salon में का expense ही पूरा meet हो जाए, that is my today's thing.
सो
क्योंकि I am paying it every month, no, अपने हाथ से डाल रही हूँ. I want to stop that. Otherwise, my family is going to push me to stop it for forever.
So, Danya, in that case, what you need to do, firstly, now since you said you have accepted that as a part, right? You have accepted. So how,
Yeah.
suppose it is your salon, what would you want for it? How how can you expand your salon? How will it grow? कैसे होगा? So what you can write is getting 10 high paid clients every day coming to my salon. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
earned this much, earned, suppose I'm saying Indian currency, earned 50,000 per day from salon. तो आप ऐसे मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो कि दैट आई एम गेटिंग हाई पेड क्लाइंट्स एट माई सैलून, एंड उसका इनकम इतना बढ़ रहा है. आई एम अर्निंग सो मच, रिसीविंग सो मच एवरी मंथ फ्रॉम द सैलून. एनीथिंग, एनी अमाउंट पर्टिकुलर आप लिखो. सपोज नाउ टुडे इज 11/11, सो 11, सो रिसीविंग दिस मच अमाउंट टिल 30th November. तो अमाउंट आपको पता है कि हाउ मच इज द अर्निंग. सपोज एवरी डे आई एम सेइंग अबाउट इंडियन करेंसी, एवरी डे 10,000 आता है, 10,000 यू आर गेटिंग. वॉट यू विल राइट इन द मैनिफेस्टेशन? आई एम अर्न 50,000 पर डे. ठीक है.
नहीं, जूही, आई हैव, आई एम अर्निंग
यस, 50,000 पर डे.
पर मंथ.
नहीं, मैं पर डे के हिसाब से बता रही हूँ. यू कैन राइट कैलकुलेट करके, बिकॉज इवन हर करेंसी इज डिफरेंट.
हाँ. राइट.
So you can write down how much you are receiving currently per month, or you can write it per day. Anything, whatever you can frame it the better way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
तो जैसे जैसे वहां पे सेल्स बढ़ेगा, यू विल गेट वॉट एवर यू डिजायर. राइट.
Yeah.
वहां पे सेल्स बढ़ेगा तो आपको इनकम आएगी ऑटोमेटिकली, आपके एक्सपेंसेस जो हैं वो निकल जाएंगे.
चल जाएगा.
So you are manifesting more clients every day, right? You can write the number of clients also. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो कि आप clients का number लिख सकते हो कि suppose now they are getting
Mm.
5 to 6 clients, so you can write down uh, having 15 clients per day, high paid clients. So when you are clear that I want 15 high paid clients every day, right? So that
Yeah.
works. Subin Paul.
Yeah.
And next is 555. It is right.
550.
You have to write your manifestation for coming 5 days,
Okay.
55 times every day.
5 days, 55 times. Okay.
Yes. So that also you have to write it in the
एवरी डे
affirmation.
ना, एवरी
Huh?
डे 55 times.
For 5 days,
हाँ हाँ, पर एवरी डे सेम थिंग
55 times.
55 times. Okay.
This is how you are rewiring your brain and your subconscious mind. Also, you are uh, uh, giving means saying it to universe that this is what I want. This is what I want to manifest.
But this will again be in present tense. Now I've already earned or I am earning.
Yes, earned.
Earned.
That it is already done.
Done. Okay.
Done. Yes, received 5 lakhs or received whatever you want to manifest.
Hmm. Got it.
Fourth is pillow manifestation. ये सबको पता ही होगा. Write down what you want to manifest. Fold the paper and keep it under your pillow every night. And before sleeping, you can just say out what you want to manifest with the intention. आपको intention set करना है that every day you have to keep, means आपको रोज रखना नहीं है, but you can read it every night before sleeping.
Okay.
Next is bay leaf manifestation. This is usually done on full moon day, full moon night, right? So you have to write down your name and your wish on it, that whatever you desire to manifest. Okay, this
Oh, that
bay
way.
leaf we hold it in the hand, set an intention जैसे हमने first day पे किया था. Set an intention of your desire, then you can light a candle and burn it away and surrender it to universe. Because on full day, a full moon night, we also release and manifest both. So we release what no longer serves us and we manifest what we desire. Okay?
So when हम उसको burn करेंगे तो it is like releasing, no?
No, that day it is like when you have written your wish, right? So जब
Yeah.
हम burn करेंगे and you have to surrender it to universe that I want this wish to be fulfilled. Okay,
Okay.
bay leaf ritual is to be, the bay leaf is to be burnt.
Yeah.
And what to do with the ash?
So you have to just burn, you have to just surrender it to universe. You can throw it off from your window. मैं विंडो पे ही करती हूँ, so I just light and just means जला के उसको मैं थ्रो कर देती हूँ.
Okay.
डोंट कीप, हाथ में होल्ड करके नहीं रखो, जस्ट बर्न इट एंड थ्रो इट अवे. बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी, मतलब वैसे भी वो छोटा ही होता है, आप उसको यू कांट होल्ड. अगर आप हाथ में बर्न कर रहे हो तो बर्न करने के बाद थ्रो दैट burnt part in the air. You surrender it to the air. So there are two elements related to it, fire and
Yeah.
air. Okay.
Okay.
So again next is water bowl manifestation. अभी इसमें कैसे होता है, we write the manifestation, whatever one thing that you want to manifest. आपको जो भी manifest करना है, write it down. अच्छा, बे लीफ में भी you have to write it with the green pen. When you are writing anything to manifest, you have to write it in the green pen, with the green pen. Okay? So green, when you write it on a paper, just fold that paper, set an intention. लिखना वही है जैसे present tense में लिखते हैं, that you have already achieved it. So take a bowl of water. अब this is also mostly done on full moon night. आप उसको पेपर को पानी में डाल के यू हैव टू कीप इट ऑन द, मीन्स विंडो पे रखना है टू फॉर इट टू गेट द मून लाइट. ठीक है, एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू कैन बरी इट और थ्रो दैट वाटर इनटू द, आई मीन आपके घर के प्लांट में डाल सकते हो फॉर इट टू ग्रो. इसमें सारे जो है एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, मीन्स वाटर एलिमेंट एंड जो हम मूनलाइट देते हैं, it supports for your manifestation, right? And we then bury it or put it in the plants so for it to grow.
Okay.
And Juhi, I don't have plants here. And then asking my husband every time to go down and bury it in the in the like plants in the border. of like wall of the building compound will not be that comfortable. So what do I do?
एक तुलसी प्लांट ले लो.
तुलसी प्लांट में हर महीने डालेंगे तो would it grow?
Paper it is, no?
हाँ?
ये
Paper
सिर्फ द पेपर और वो चले जाता है.
वो गल
Shall we?
जाएगा ना. It will mix in the sand. Soil में mix हो
Okay.
जाएगा ना.
Okay. Fine. हाँ, I
Don't
just
write it
asked
as
that
big as
too.
a newspaper.
हाँ,
Put it.
forget it.
You have to just write it. नहीं तो आप बे लीफ करो. बे लीफ इजी होता है. 369
बेलीफ
इजी
मैंने
होता
बहुत किया है. बेलीफ मैंने बहुत किया है.
है. गुड.
हम्म.
चलो, you no questions? Should I stop sharing?
Yeah, it's done.
देखो, न्यू न्यू टेक्निक्स आते रहेंगे. न्यू न्यू चीजें हम सीखते रहेंगे. है ना?
Yeah.
राइट. सो इफ वी आर गुड टू गो नाउ. इतना लेट हो गया. कितना जल्दी स्टार्ट किया था. Sorry, but I want you to write 11 things that you want to manifest.
ना
Okay.
That's why I said sorry.
पहले बोलती, लिख के रखती ना मैं.
That's right.
जल्दी लिखो. 5 minutes only to write, and then we'll begin
अल्लाह,
with meditation.
5 minutes. ओ नहीं,
बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखना है.
मुझे नहीं आता ना वही लंबा चौड़ा लिखने की आदत. चल ठीक है, ड्रिल की वजह से नया शॉर्टकट भी सीख लेंगे.
मनी
और
लिखो
कौन सा
साइड में. मनी
कौन
लिखो
सा कौन
साइड
से
में
पेन में
अमाउंट.
लिखना है?
ग्रीन पेन है तो लिखो. सॉरी, मैंने पहले बोला नहीं.
रेड है, चलेगा.
लिखो.
I
ग्रीन
have the green pen here.
यू हैव लकी यू. ठीक है. रेडी, 1 2 3.
Someone or the other is always putting hand in my pencil.
Anything you can write related to your health, relationship.
सॉरी.
You want me to play the music?
Yeah, that will be nice.
Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Mahalo. sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. So sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.
Yeah.
Sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I forgive you.
Write down
Will
that.
you forgive me? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The truth is I love you. I thank you. I love you. I love you.
Done.
क्या स्पीड है?
Oh. अभी कैंडल लगानी है?
नहीं.
वाह, आपने मेरे को टाइम लिमिट दिया ना, ये जलाना वालाना नहीं है ना प्लीज?
नहीं जलाना है.
हाँ फिर ठीक है, अभी है ना?
बट आप इफ यू कैन डू इट इन द वाटर बाउल, मतलब उसको रख दोगे two options. Either you can keep it for 11 days at a place, means आपके मंदिर में या कहीं भी, at a I mean energized place so that it will manifest. Wardrobe में इसमें उसमें नहीं रखना, ठीक है?
आपको मैं आप एनर्जाइज स्पेस का फोटो भेज देती हूँ। यहाँ पे वो पोर्टल ग्रिड भी है, पिरामिड भी
Yes.
है, सब कुछ
आप
उधर ही।
वहां रख देना. Even you can
हम्म,
keep it in your temple. Okay? For
कोई
next
बाजू बाजू नहीं है, सब आगे साथ में ही है। भगवान भी है और ये सब भी है, मेरा कॉर्नर है वो। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी, सामने उठो।
और क्या
आई
चाहिए?
वुड प्रिफर दैट, आई वुड प्रिफर दैट। एंड वन मोर थिंग, आफ्टर 11 days वही रहने दो।
नहीं, after 11 days you have to bury it.
Bury
11,
it, ना?
11. 11 manifestations, 11 days, and then you have to bury it to grow.
Okay.
मैंने आज 11/11 को, तो फिर 22 को बरी
हम्म.
करना।
तब तक आधे पौने पूरे हो जाएंगे.
एक काम करो ना, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेती हूँ। मेरे को इनके ये भी बनाना है ना, अफर्मेशन, मेटावर्सल।
Okay. Just checking in with the sound.
I wanted an advice.
Can you hear the sound? आवाज कम करूं? अभी? Yes. You want to say something?
Wine.
Even though it is night time, but this is very soothing.
Yeah.
Krishna is always with me. He's always around.
So let's begin. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in. And as you inhale, fill up your stomach, fill up your lungs. Gently release. As you exhale, flatten your stomach and empty your lungs. One more time, take a deep breath in. Inhale peace and calmness. And as you exhale, exhale any worry, stress, any thought bothering you, just let it go. One more time, take a deep breath in. Inhale happiness. And as you exhale, just let go. of people, situation, places. Just exhale, release. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Focus on your breath. Let's set an intention for today. Set an clear intention to manifest your dream life. Now visualize the golden light above your head. The light of divine creation entering your crown chakra. As you inhale, feel the light descending through your crown chakra, flowing down towards your spine, anchoring into your heart. Feel the golden light glowing with every breath, getting more brighter, filled with love, trust, and magnetic energy. Feel the energy, divine energy. Now see the light forming numbers 1111 in the sky. The four pillars of divine alignment. Visualize the 111 glowing brighter. Feel the energy. Now visualize whatever you desired is already in front of you. Visualize it is already done. You have a beautiful home, good relationships, amazing career, abundance, riches, the best of health, the best of wealth. Visualize it being manifested, whatever is your dream desire, just in front of you, and it's already done. How would you feel it when it is already done? Feel the happiness on your face, feel the happiness in your heart. Visualize yourself dancing happily and receiving all the abundance that you already desire. Universe is saying Tathastu to all your desires. Just feel that happiness all over your body. Let your body feel that happiness of receiving all the abundance, all the happiness, everything you desire, just feel it. Express your happiness and gratitude to universe for blessing you with all the abundance. Just, it is unbelievable for you. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Express your gratitude as much as you can because this divine blessings. You are blessed. You are blessed soul. You are blessed with everything that you have desired. Gently affirm, I'm aligned with divine timings. I'm worthy of everything I desire.
I'm worthy of everything.
I am a magnet of miracles.
I'm a magnet of miracle.
My manifestations flow to me with ease.
My manifestation flow to me with ease.
Thank you, universe. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. From this moment, remember you don't need to control, chase, doubt. You just simply need to align, trust, and allow. Believe in divine timings. With that peaceful heart, with that happiness, aligned energies, slowly and gradually, come back whenever you are ready. Bring your awareness.
Huh? Give me a touch. Give me a kiss.
How was it? You are on mute, Dania.
I said tathastu.
Nice.
अयो
बोलिए.
क्या बोलूं? Tears said it all. बहुत टचिंग था और आज ग्रैटिट्यूड बहुत ज्यादा है.
Good.
That is one thing.
I didn't want it to end also. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि
कंटिन्यू होता जाए होता जाए होता जाए. आज आज अब आप कितने दिन से ट्राई कर रहे थे ना म्यूजिक और ये हो, तो
It
कान्हा
was
जी को
perfect,
आना
no?
था. आज कान्हा जी को आना था. I just give you a small, uh, just want to share a small real life incident which happened with me. In 2021, I got COVID and I had to go to the hospital alone. And it was the first time my nephew came with that वो पूरा सूट वूट पहन के आया था and एम्बुलेंस बुलाई थी and we had to go. And I was there for 8th को मैं एडमिट हुई थी और 18th को मैं आई थी घर पे. I was there the whole time and I don't know, previous night I have a medical bed, so I literally felt like, Krishna Bhagwan is standing this side of my bed. इधर साइड में गणपति जी है, कॉर्नर ऑफ लेफ्ट साइड माता रानी पूरे उनके स्वरूप में है, राइट साइड कॉर्नर शंकर भगवान बैठे हैं. I could feel Hanumanji here, and here I could feel all my angels and ancestors. And
wow.
from that day till this day, they are still with me. And I could, like, when I was crying, I could literally feel them all coming and putting their hand on my head and telling me, "Arey, kyun ro rahi hai? We are there now with you." And trust
You're
me, I
blessed.
was not scared. My family was so scared, husband and everybody like hyper. और मैं इधर cool but बोले तू क्या चीज है. मैंने बोला जो भी हो, स्पेशल चीज हो यार, भगवान की लाडली हो. I I related because आज सब बड़े प्यार से आपस मेरे को ऐसे बोले क्यों रोई तू. So फीलिंग आई दिल से. आई एम ऑलवेज अवेयर. मुझे कभी नहीं लगता. कान्हा जी और मेरी बहुत फाइटिंग होती है, हम लोग मस्ती बहुत करते हैं. So thank you, Juhi. Be blessed multifold for doing this for us.
Thank you.
Tathastu for all your wishes to come true. And may
Yeah.
you be blessed to such a level that nothing bothers. And all you do is grow in your life.
Yeah.
I am open and receptive of so many blessings from you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Really, दिल से मजा
मैं
आ गया.
थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ आप दोनों को बिकॉज इफ यू बोथ wouldn't have been there, means this 11 days wouldn't have been possible for me. So I am
So
grateful to you both for
we
being
are grateful to
with
you. You
me.
are grateful to us. And let us all together be grateful to the universe.
Yes,
Universe.
yes,
The universe wanted this to happen the way it happened.
yes.
क्या
I
right feel
am
कर रहे हो यार. I wish you were here. I would have hugged you.
आ रही हूँ बॉम्बे, आऊंगी जल्दी. अपना एड्रेस भेजो, आती हूँ आपका आशीर्वाद और हग लेने.
आओ. Dhanya, if you
Yeah.
don't come in the retreat, तुम्हारा दुबई में रहना मुश्किल करवा दूंगी मैं. कैसे कराऊंगी मुझे नहीं मालूम.
I will be
Come,
there.
we need to meet. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm dying to meet all of you. You know, seriously. मतलब मैं जाऊंगी, एक तो मैं व्हीलचेयर में होंगी, तो मैं होंगी ठिंगू, पर फिर भी हाय 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 चल रहा होगा मेरा.
Don't
And
worry, we'll reach out to you.
I know
Wow.
I'll be happiest person to be, you know, meeting you guys, hugging you guys. अभी मैं ना बहुत खड़ूस हो गई हूँ. मैं जल्दी से लोगों को हग नहीं करती. पहले मैं हर कोई आया हग करो, अभी मैं नहीं, because I can sense the energy is not
Right.
matching. So मेरी energy
You should
drain
not
होती
do
है.
also to everyone. ये मैं
नहीं.
पहले करती थी बट अब नहीं, अब सोच के हक करती हूँ मैं भी.
हाँ, नहीं, we have to be careful, Dhanya, because
I see.
I have gone down. Like somebody would
I
come.
I just stopped the recording. You
हाँ.
want to share your experience, Tanya?
Today it was bumper of all.
Worth it, na?
Yeah, and it's a very emotional kind of a thing. आज का experience was like that. As she was saying, it was like all Krishna feeling across.
Do you remember? कभी भी आप हम लोग से कनेक्ट हो तो कृष्णा जी को लेके आ जाना. तो म्यूजिक चलेगी ही चलेगी और आपकी आवाज भी हम तक पहुंचेगी ही पहुंचेगी.
I too have some experience of like with Krishna. This was two, three things happened in my life like that. एक तो बॉम्बे में जब मैं थी, तो this was in 2020, 2003. 2002, I lost my father, or that was like I was in college, and I started working also then. Because I decided that हम लोग बॉम्बे में ही रहेंगे. My family, other family members, they wanted us to move to Kerala. So I was not happy with that idea. तो हम लोग काफ़ी मतलब जिद से बॉम्बे में रुके, going against our other family members and all. So they said they will not be able to support us because I'm so arrogant and all कि खुद से decision ले रही है and all these things. And some days were not very easy for me क्योंकि एक तो डैडी का नहीं होने का एक pain, and even though like I had been so badly treated by my father because of his short temperedness, and he used to drink a lot, and कुछ भी हो जाता था, he doesn't understand, he just do that, get violent with me, but he never did this with Divya and Sandeep.
You want it to be recorded? Should I stop recording?
Yeah, stop recording. This is something